It's a great question.
Oh, that's a great question.
Let me think. I want to give a good answer for this.
I love this question.
What kindness means to me?
I think kindness just stems from a general compassion for people.
Kindness to me means being like genuine.
Honestly, just putting others before yourself.
You never know what the impact of just having a smile on your face could mean to somebody else who's having a bad day.
You didn't have to do it, but you went out your way to do something nice for someone else.
Somehow bringing a little bit more joy, a little more light to someone's life, even if it's in just like a teeny tiny way. My family expresses kindness in food, and like my mom always taught me to like feed other people. So if you ever come to my house, I'm gonna feed you.
Just showing gratitude towards others and being empathetic towards others and just being a loving person.
Basically how you treat someone. It's the respect that you show another person.
I know personally my goal is always to leave that lasting impression on somebody that I was nice to them and that maybe I made their day this much better. Just being a good human.
Being nice and just like loving towards others.
A random acts of kindness is my favorite way to make someone's day.
Saying hi, just a simple hi can make somebody's day because you're thinking of them.
So every time I walk into a room, I like to say hi to everybody, even if I don't know someone.
Or before big tests, I'll like give my roommates Smarties and say, "You're a Smartie. I'm a Smartie."
I think I find kindness at CMU in a lot of different ways. Just when I'm walking on campus and I look at another student, I always tend to smile at them and I get a smile back. When I go to other universities and I go to other colleges, when I'm on their campus, it seems like everyone's looking down and walking somewhere and they're walking to where they need to be and they're walking back. I feel like at CMU, I'm able to kind of connect with students on a bigger level because I feel like everyone here is kind and I think everyone here tries to show kindness as much as they can.